Alright you guys, today we're going to check out another non-destructive text effect with halftones. Now the whole artboard size and the composition is a little bit big, so it's kind of lagging. I'm going to press Shift plus O. You can see the X is 683 and the width is 1366. So the whole design is a little bit bigger. Alright, so step one, let's select the type tool. I'm going to type in panter. Let's scale it up. I'm gonna make it nice and big. And I'm gonna search for the raster compressed black italic. And let's go to the appearance. If you don't have it, you can go to the windows and select the appearance. Now let's go back. Let's go all the way down. And I'm gonna select a stroke. So this way we got a fill and a stroke. I'm gonna go to the fill. First, I'm gonna go with a lighter gray. As a default, I'm gonna increase the stroke thickness a little bit more. And as you can see, if I increase the stroke thickness, the align stroke is on center. We cannot align it inside or outside. So in this situation, I'm going to select the fill and I'm going to drag it above the stroke. And then it looks something like that. Now make sure that the stroke is selected. We're going to go to the effects here. Let's go to distort and transform, select transform. And we're going to add to the horizontal 0.1, vertical 0.1. And the horizontal is going to be minus 0.1. And now I'm going to increase the copies. I'm going to go with 280. Click OK. Now, if you zoom in, you might see these jagged lines in here. You can make that disappear. So make sure that you're on the stroke. We're going to go to the effects. Let's go to the path and select offset path. We're going to offset it with, let me see, I'm gonna go with 1. The joint is gonna be rounded, so I'm gonna go with 0, 1. Click OK. It's gonna make it a little bit more rounded. Now in order to make it less rounded, you also can increase even more. I know this is compromising, but now this is what we're dealing with. Now let's go back to the fill. Click on the fill. We're gonna go to the gradient, select the gradient, press the letter G, and with the letter G you can re-customize the gradient. And now on this fill, we're gonna go to the effects, go to pixelate and select color halftone. For the max radius, I'm thinking to go with 12. Now you can adjust this also afterwards. And the channel is gonna be 50, 50, 50, 50. Click OK. The next thing we're gonna do is add another stroke. So we're gonna need to make these letters highlighted a little bit better. So I'm gonna click on the fill and we're gonna put another stroke on the top of the fill. And I'm gonna change this to white. I'm gonna decrease the stroke thickness and I'm gonna add another stroke. This is gonna be black. And then I'm gonna go back to the white stroke. I'm gonna increase this. Ooh, nice. And I'm gonna go back to the black, increase it more. That's how you make it. Thanks for watching.